So hey Lawn Care Nation, I'm here at the farm property that I take care of. We've got the Navigator, and it's a wet and stormy November day. We're getting heavy rain on and off throughout the day. I thought it'd be a good test to use the Navigator for picking up some leaves. You can see a whole bunch fell at once here, and they're all pretty massive sized leaves there. You can see about the size of bigger than my head, and they're all wet, which will make an interesting test to see how the Navigator can handle them. In the back of the Navigator here, I've got the 3-inch screen section still attached there, so that's removable if you are having trouble or mowing sort of in really tough conditions, wet leaves, wet grass, that sort of thing. I haven't needed to take that out yet, so that's an option if I run into trouble today, to see if I have to take that out if you know, the rest of the screen starts to clog and restrict airflow. But so far, like I said, all fall, I haven't needed to take that out. It's been very, very impressive. So we'll see how it does. All right, so as you can see, it did a really good job. No issues with all those big leaves. Picked them all up. A little bit of issues on the hill there with the tires rutting a little bit, or just starting to rut, but not a big deal on this property. And there's always tractor trailer tires and stuff that kind of go off the lawn there each week, so I'm not too concerned about that. But yeah, I did a very good job here. Let's take a look inside. And yeah, no issues. You can see the screen is still wide open, still a lot of airflow going through, even with that front section still attached in there, and it just sucks the leaves like nobody's business. Like, it's amazing. Even wet, massive leaves, it just crazy how well this machine does for fall cleanups. So that's the Exmark Navigator cleaning wet leaves for doing fall cleanups. It's an awesome machine, especially as a solo operator. If you're a single owner operator in your lawn care business, it's like having another employee with you. No raking or anything to do with these leaves. Just take the blower at the end here, do a little final cleanup, and you're good. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the Exmark Navigator for fall leaf cleanups.